Welding may be a male-dominated field, but it seems that more females are now expressing interest in the trade. A number of high school students from schools across the capital are actively engaged in the daily sessions at the Bahamas Technical and Vocational Institute. We caught up with the instructor and several students to hear their experiences.
Professional welder and instructor Maverick Moxie has been teaching welding at the Bahamas Technical and Vocational Institution for decades, and he says passing on the knowledge of the trade to young Bahamians has been a lifelong commitment. Some 15 students, predominantly male from 6 high schools, attend the courses daily. We caught up with Moxie during a session on the school's campus to get an inside look at the program.
There's 6 different subjects. We teach intro classes called fundamentals. Oxyacetylene is how to use the torch properly. We teach fabrication, how to build small items. We teach blueprint reading for welders. And the other one we have is called positional, welding stuff outside of being flat. The biggest problem we have here at B.T.V.I'S is that students have a tendency to start, then stop. Stopping that they get before they have time to finish. The programs we have running now, we have the